Hi guys, this is Michelle, and I have another spring cleaning video for you.
Guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least.
Hey, so this week we are working in the kitchen, and I actually deep cleaned my kitchen last quarter. If you remember, I am doing quarterly cleaning, and this is what I did in January. I cleaned the refrigerator, behind the refrigerator, and the cupboards on the outside. I have not yet done on the inside. And the other day, I cleaned out the refrigerator.
It is just enough to get by.
So guys, this is a collab put together by Kimberly Davis at Diva Designing on a Dime. We are doing a spring cleaning every Tuesday in March. So if you missed episodes 1 and 2, I will link it below, as well as the playlist with everyone else who is participating. And next week, we're supposed to be doing a closet or a pantry, but I'm actually going to do my laundry room. Okay guys, after cleaning out the refrigerator that kind of tuckered me out, I decided to work smarter, not harder. My son always tells me, Mom, work smarter, not harder. So I decided to finish the rest of the kitchen bit by bit. So what I'm doing is taking one drawer or one cabinet while I'm making dinner and clean that out each day, and that's what I'm doing. Tonight we are having hamburgers, and I'm going to clean out this drawer here with the pots and pans, and it's also where I store my onions and my potatoes, and I'm going to clean this drawer out while dinner is cooking.
Yeah, now I know the time I got.
I am using my handy dandy Shark handheld vac that I've mentioned in many videos. If you're interested, I will put the link down below. I freaking love this thing. It has a lot of power. My previous handheld duster thing, vacuum thing, was not very powerful. This works really well.
The time I've got, it is just enough.
And I'm just gonna wipe this down with my favorite 7th generation disinfectant, and I'm using a quickie microfiber cloth to wipe it down with. And I've noticed that these cloths really work better if you don't wet them. So they just actually pick up more things, crumbs, hairs, all that kind of stuff. So if you don't wet them, just the wetness from the cleaner is good enough. It works better that way.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back, while I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow.
Okay, so after dinner when I was cleaning up, I decided to clean out the knife drawer real quick and wipe it down and sanitize the drawer, all that kind of stuff.
Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end, but still I am here, moving on like before. I'm yearning to reach the shore. Now I know what it means to.
Okay, it's Tuesday now, and it's Taco Tuesday. We always have tacos on Tuesday. I usually have a chicken taco salad while hubby has regular tacos. So I'm going to clean out this silverware drawer.
Just enough to get by. Oh, now I know what it means to grow. Oh, yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by. I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast.
Okay, all done with that, and I just wanted to show you the other day while I was doing some late night cleaning. I cleaned out this cabinet. I wiped the inside out of it and straightened it up a little bit. This is where I keep paper towels and cleaning supplies and garbage bags and that kind of thing.
What it means to grow.
Okay, it's Saturday and we are having some chicken and some roasted vegetables. I did clean just the door of this oven the other day. I don't remember when it was, but sometime earlier in the week I had done that. And I'm just gonna pop these vegetables in the oven. And I'm gonna soak the sink here with some 7th generation non-chlorine bleach and see if that gets out the stains. We shall see. Okay, while that is soaking, I am going to clean out my gadget drawer. This is all the gadgets that I have, guys. I don't really have too many gadgets. I just have a few items, a lemon squeezer, an egg slicer, an avocado slicer, and an apple slicer, and things like that. I'm not a gadget person. I don't really like to cook.
Now I know what it means to grow.
So the liner I am using is the Pioneer Women Liner. I will put a link down below. I got it from Walmart. I'm on the fence of whether I like that or not. I mean, it seems like it's double duty. You have to clean the drawer still, even though the liner's in there, and I don't know. But it does make it pretty. Okay, I still had some time here, so while dinner was cooking, I went ahead and cleaned out my second silverware drawer.
The time I've got, it is just enough to get.
And that powdered substance that you see in the drawer is borax. It's the borax detergent. It is supposed to get rid of bugs. We live in Florida. You got bugs. We actually haven't really had much problem with it since we've lived here the last 8 years, but recently here we had a problem. It's also good to sprinkle on your carpet if you're having a flea problem. We also did that, and then you leave it there for like 24 hours and vacuum it up.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back.
Okay, as I was cleaning this drawer, I noticed that my can opener was looking kind of nasty, so I decided to use a toothbrush that I use for cleaning the sink and things to scrub it really good and make it look a little cleaner.
Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just
Okay, now I am going to soak the other side of the sink. This side of the sink looks good, but I don't know if I show the other side of the sink when I'm done. It didn't really get the stains out, but I only had a little bit of that non-chlorine bleach from 7th generation, so I'll have to buy some more and try it one more time. Okay, while that sink is soaking, dinner was ready and it was yummy. Okay, so here is my master spring cleaning list. And if you remember from week 1, I cleaned the entryway, and I forgot to do week 2 was the family room, and then this week was the kitchen. Although I know in my head that the kitchen is going to be ongoing. First of all, it's going to be like the dirtiest room in your house. It's the most used room in your house, like 3 times a day, right? So you're going to need to clean it more often, and that is just going to be ongoing. I think that whole system of working one drawer, one cabinet, one cupboard as I'm making dinner, I think that'll work pretty well. Obviously, doing the freezer or the oven is going to be a separate cleaning time to do that. Here is my kitchen list, and you can see the things that I did in January. So I need to mark off the things that I did this month. And again, it will be ongoing. I did the inside of the oven door, and I still need to do the outside. Clean the dishwasher, the pantry. I still need to clean the freezer. I'm even writing things like I need to oil the cutting boards and all that kind of stuff. I probably need to jot down a few more things too that I have. I'm not marking off the drawers because I didn't do all of them. I don't know, I'll just put a little notation here that I did in March. This is a list in work in progress, so I might change that up if I realize it's not working, because you can see here I just put outside bottom, outside top, and I've already changed that already. You know, I didn't clean the outside of the cabinets all in one full swoop. Well, I did when I was wiping them down, but the inside of the cabinets, I am doing them one at a time, like I just showed you in this video. Okay, next week we are supposed to be doing the a closet or a pantry. I hope it's okay with Kim, that I go ahead and do the laundry room. It's kind of like a closet. No, I'm not doing the Monica closet. It just really needs to be done. Actually, I already did it, so I just need to edit it and get that done for you for next week. Okay, guys, I hope you will join me next Tuesday when I will be deep cleaning the laundry room, and I hope you will clean along with me. In the meantime, follow me on Instagram because I am cleaning there. I have been busy cleaning, and staying busy has been really helping my anxiety with all this crisis that we all are going through. Guys, stay busy. It really does help calm you and keep your anxiety down. So put your hair up and start cleaning.